is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the Each Adventure channel. My name is Josh, and today we are out here at El Mirage. Came up here for a kind of a last minute ride. I haven't really ridden any hard stuff in about a month or two, so needed to get back out, just put some new bars and stuff on the TTR, and wanted to take it out and try it out. So got up here for a last minute end of Saturday trip, and we're gonna go ride some enduro stuff. I've already kind of did a loop around El Mirage already. Found some cool stuff, but we've had some good rain here in California over the last month or so, and a huge heat wave. But it's been raining like crazy up here in the desert apparently, and you can definitely tell by the way some of these trails are completely messed up. There's ruts and freaking rocks and all kinds of stuff. Not that there usually isn't, but it's worse than normal. So like, you see this section here is no good. Let's see if we can go up and around this. So yeah, it's made certain trails easier and certain trails harder. Pretty interesting, actually. I don't know if that's any better. Let's go right here. We got this. All right, there we go. So, like I said, I've already kind of ridden through here. I came down the other way, but it looked like it would be kind of fun to go up this canyon that's over here, and so that's what we're gonna do. I'm trying to find it though. Here it is. I think this is it over here. Yeah, it's this one. Seemed doable coming down, so we shall see. But definitely some enduro for the TTR. I'm super bummed. I forgot my goggles today. Last minute trip, you tend to forget stuff like that. I also forgot my knee guards. I'm hoping I don't fall on these rocks. And I also forgot my socks. All right, let's go. Jesus. Whoa. There's a spot up here that is impassable, so I'm gonna have to remember which line it is to take. Oh, that was bad. That out of the way. Oh, stuck. There we go. It wasn't this thing, but I totally forgot about that. Oh my goodness. That was crazy. Holy crap. Yeah, it's this freaking wall right here. Ah, okay. So this is kind of actually the end of the canyon. I just got to go up and then figure out a way to come back down. So let's see if we can get out of here. Oh, nope, that's not gonna work. Just kidding. Oh, Jesus, yeah, hell no. That's not the way. Okay, let's get out of here. Oh, that's breaking my rear fender. That's cool. Yeah, that was a bad idea. Super bad idea. Not cool. Okay. Woo. It's hot. All is good. All is well. I think if I go up here and swing around the right, I can ride these rocks over just to come back down again, but at least I'll make it to where I wanted to. Getting a little arm pump though. Let's try that, and if that doesn't work, we'll head back down. Go. Actually, that looks doable. More so than this. I should have just kept going. Straight up that little canyon. Oh, all right, well, that's the way I came down. What a view. Let's admire this for a second. Sun going down. Nobody around. If I had kept going straight, I could have gone right through that. Just waddled up like I did that other one. That would have been cool. All right. Down we go. So sandy. So sandy. All right, I want to go back in the wash. If I take this little bypass here, this is where I was earlier. That's my tire track from earlier. And boom. There we go. All right, no dabs, no dabs. Oh, there's one. And here's two. Oh yeah. Nice. Oh, big rock. Ouch. So cool. Onto the side. Through these rocks. And here. Right here is where it gets a little tricky. And then that just goes down and ends somewhere. Oh, and there we go. Through the Enduro. Whoa. Does this just end up here? I don't think I've ever been up this far. Alright, let's go down this rocky. A little bit of practice. Get up, get back. Don't go into that crack. Oh, hey. Hey. The sand's deceiving because normally when it's been dry and there's no moisture, you can tell it's soft. But when the rain like hardens up the top of it, it's like a giant surprise underneath because your tire just sinks into it. It's pretty gnarly. Whew, alright guys, well, I think that's gonna do it. Actually, let's do there's a little Enduro rocky run up here. We'll do that run and then start heading back. It's kind of a fun spot that I found earlier. Let's see if we can get back over there. There we go. Back into the wash. Let's go! Whoa! All right. Pretty rocky through here. Really rocky through here. Man, arms are dying. Need to do this more. Alright guys, that just about does it. Methinks. So, sun's going down. Gonna head back over to the car, maybe do one more loop around the test track over there, the practice track, and then go ahead and call it. So, as always, thank you so much for riding along with me today. If you like this video, please give me a like down below. If you're new here, please subscribe. We like to do adventures like this on a weekly basis, and I would love to have you along for the ride. I don't know what happened to my voice right there. Got a little high-pitched, got a little squealy. But anyways, guys, until next time, please be sure to have fun, take care, and ride safe. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, be sure to get out there and have adventures of your own. And I will see you guys next time.
Thanks for watching the video. If you liked what you saw, please let me know down in the comments, and don't forget to hit that like button. If you are new here, please subscribe to see more adventures just like this one. For information about my riding gear or the various ways you can help support the channel, please check out the links below or head over to www.eachadventure.com. I'll see you in the next one.